Yeah.
Photosynthesis is a reaction that takes place in plants, and it consists of carbon dioxide plus water plus sunlight, and it creates glucose and oxygen. And there's two stages of it. There is light-dependent and light-independent reactions. Okay, so we just talked about what photosynthesis is and how there are two parts to the whole thing. And this is the first part, which is light-dependent reaction, aka electron transport chain. And this is a drawing of it. And it's also called a phospholipid bilayer. But so we go and there's photosystems in the thylakoids, which make up grana, and which take in energy from the sun and are absorb red and blue light in the chlorophyll, and is reflected green light, which is what creates the green color of plants.
Asher.
Boom, I just grew like a plant. And you see this grana? It takes in sunlight, which excites the electrons in it. And it also takes in water, which is split. And it leaves us with electrons and hydrogen atoms. This causes a chemical reaction which turns light energy into chemical energy, called ATP and ADP. And oxygen. Oh, there you are. Now where were we? Oh yeah. So the cycle takes place in the stroma. In this process, the products of the light-dependent reaction, ATP and NADPH, are taken in the stromata. They are then used as energy in the chemical reaction to stimulate the electrons. CO2, which is taken from the air, is also absorbed. It reacts with the energized electrons to produce glucose. Oh, hey, I'm down here. As you can see, we've come back to the start of our reaction. After glucose is produced, the process of photosynthesis is complete, and the plant can function and thrive, and the whole reaction starts again. Whoa, I just grew like a plant. See, we have the sun now and the grana takes in water, and which is split into hydrogen and oxygen. Oh, there's the bell.
Go.
Photosynthesis is a reaction that goes into plants. You see, oh no. Photosynthesis is a reaction that's So now that we've talked about what photosynthesis is, I'll be talking about light-independent reactions, or aka electron transport chain. And so this is what it looks like. It's a biphosphate. Now that alright, so now we are on the part where the sun brings energy into the grana, and which excites the electrons. And yeah, you got water molecules which are split and leaving us with electrons, and leaving electrons